there's a cell tower over there, but you can't see it. But the reading is only 244. So the cell tower is right over there, that big white thing you see. There's a fire here today, I think. Right here. So I'm going to turn it off until we get to this place that I saw a cell tower. Whoa, sorry about the bumpy. So we're stopped at an intersection. Where are we? We're on Hamishaw Road, Spring Valley. Oh, so it looks like it's spiking a little here. Just crossed Whitestone. This is Mount Miguel. Okay, so right now I'm at, these readings are so high, it's off the charts. And the reason why is because over there, there's a cell phone, a radio tower. Look at that. Right here at the 7-Eleven. Hamishaw. Look at that. This reading. It's because, oh, look at right there. You have a cell phone tower. Look at this area. Yikes. But you got people living right there, and you have, I can't even see the phone, but you have that cell phone tower. And this is the reading. It's like here, so it's off the charts right now. You can't even, so it's 5.5, 6.6. To let you know.
Okay, thanks.
And maybe, you know what, I'll also call, because I've got the readings and no one should be working under that condition. Because as I drove by, it spiked so high, and I looked around to see, and it's because of those towers. Because once you get off the hill, it goes down again. So just be safe. Okay.